Welcome to Teacher Olajuro's class.
It's time to look at this gentle giant. Pronoun usage, you and I versus you and me. Kindly pay attention to these three pronoun usage rules. Rule 1. Use a subject pronoun in a subject position. In an active voice sentence, the subject comes before the verb. The pronouns you and I are both subject pronouns. Examples: I ate rice. You ate rice. Rule 2. Use an object pronoun in an object position. Normally, an object comes after verbs and prepositions. The pronouns you and me are both object pronouns. Did you notice the author of confusion? Why subject I changes to object me, you as a subject remains you as an object. Examples: people love me. People love you. Let's now move to the next rule. Rule 3. If you use two or more pronouns in the subject, object, etc. positions, use pronouns of the same category together. Therefore, anytime you see you and I, know that they both serve as a subject. And anytime you see you and me, know that they both serve as an object. Let's now apply the three rules. The first question: what about dash? Is it what about you and I? Or what about you and me? Number 2. Between dash is this case. Is it between you and I or between you and me? Number 3. God loves dash. Is it God loves you and I or God loves you and me? Number 4. Dash need to talk. Do we say you and I need to talk or you and me need to talk? Okay, let's take them one after the other. The answer to number 1 is you and me. This is because the word about is a preposition. That means it needs to take an object or a set of objects. Therefore, it should be followed by you and me because both you and me in this context serve together as an object. Therefore, we should say, what about you and me? Kindly note, somewhere in my last video, I asked, what about you and I? Of course, I should have used you and me in that context, since about is a preposition. I'm sorry about that. My mouth betrayed my mind at that time. Let's now go to the second question. Between dash is this case. The answer is you and me. This is simple. Between is a preposition that should be followed by either an object pronoun or a set of object pronouns. Therefore, we should say between you and me is this case. Let's now move to question 3. God loves you and I or God loves you and me? The answer is God loves you and me. This is because loves is a verb that should take either an object or a set of objects. And if we use the layman's rule, we can separate the two of them by saying God loves you and God loves me. Therefore, if we put them together again, we have God loves you and me. Let's move to number 4. Dash need to talk. Let's start with the layman's rule here by separating the two situations. You need to talk. I need to talk. Therefore, you and I need to talk. We need the two pronouns to fill the space in a subject position. Therefore, we should simply say, you and I need to talk. After today's lesson, you and I must try to use those pronouns correctly. Well, that should be enough for you and me. That is to say,
This is the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching.